YouTube land. Hope everybody doing well, man, out there in YouTube land. I got a quick Trail Finder 2 K5 video. It's a little more harder getting this one around the course than the TRX4, but I like that challenge of driving this versus the TRX4, man. So just got to get her out there, man. I had to do a quick walk around. Had to show the people, man, how beautiful this truck is, man. But I think that video don't really do this truck a lot of justice, man. But for you guys out there, I'm not trying to, tell you guys to get right into this truck as your first crawler. But anyway, like I say, this is by far my best RC, the beautiful K5. Hope you getting out there, man, getting you some good RCing in, whether you FPVing or trailing. I hope you getting it in. Had to do a quick walk around, man, of this beautiful K5. Peace and love.
Only God can judge me. That right. Only God, baby. Nobody else. Nobody else. All you other motherfuckers go out my business. Really? Perhaps I was blind to the facts. Stabbed in the back, I couldn't trust my own.